Hello VPs. We have put together a very short tutorial to assist you in navigating the process for reviewing all of the instructional program review and planning documents for our departments and units here for 2022-23. We're going to start with a link that's provided to you in the email to our SharePoint site, which houses all of our program review documents. You'll see them all nested here underneath their division headers. So we've got our Arts, Media, and Business division, our CTE programs, our languages and literature, mathematics, science and engineering, social behavioral sciences, and our student service programs. You'll see here that each tile notes whether this was a comprehensive review or an annual program review. We have a 3-year cycle of program review in which the first year departments or areas will complete a comprehensive review of their programs. And in years 2 and years 3, they'll do an annual review. So each of these with annual is either in their 2nd or 3rd year of program review. So to get started on review of each of the programs, you're going to just click on each individual tile one at a time. We'll start with the Arts Design program. And you'll see on the right-hand side that a menu will show up. And you'll be able to see this is Arts, Media, Business Administration, Art Design, confirming we're in the right tab. It's a comprehensive review. So you'll see if we scroll down, we will have a link to view the PRP, a link to print it if you would like, and you will see the Dean review that you can expand for their strengths, areas of concern, review recommendations, and whether they had approved the submission of the PRP. This being a comprehensive review, you can also expand the peer review feedback that was provided, and then you will see where your VP feedback will be submitted. Let's scroll back up to view the PRP. It will open up the document for art design in a separate tab up top here, you'll see. You can scroll all the way down and look at the PRP in its entirety. Its basic information, program learning outcomes, completions, enrollment trends and efficiency, course information, course learning outcomes. We've got our curriculum, alignment mapping, scheduling and planning. We also have our career and labor market data for our comprehensive reviews. We have our program goals and our resource requests. So having read all of that as a VP, you'll go back into your SharePoint site and you'll see this window has still remained open. And you can now scroll back down to your VP review. And here you will hover and then click on the pencil, and you'll list any comments you have on the strengths of the program. And once you are done, you will submit that. You'll see it showed up here and saved. Any concerns you might have, you will list concerns for the PRP or the program itself. If you have any recommendations for the program moving forward, you will look at those here. You will note those here. You might also have some comments on the PRP itself because you would like to see additional information on the data that was provided or assessments, whatever your recommendations might be for this. And then you will mark whether you approve the document or not. So when we hover here, it gives you a chance to say yes. There is no option to say no. So if you have reviewed this program review document and you feel it is not of the quality to submit and you do not approve, this is something that you will go back and discuss with the dean, and either you and the dean and the program chair, or the dean and the program chair will have a further discussion about what needs to happen with this PRP to bring it up to the level that is appropriate for a program review assessment. And once it comes back, then you would go back in again, these comments would be saved, and then you can mark submit and the program review is complete. We then take this feedback, provide it to the department chairs who have already seen the review of the deans and the peers, the peer review team, and it will now go back to them to show them what the feedback would have been from the VP of their area. And that's it. So once that's done, you just simply close it out, go back to your other programs, and continue the assessment of those programs. well, you will see all of the goodness that is happening on our campus to serve our students in our instructional programs. If you have any questions, need any assistance, please feel free to contact us and we'd be happy to walk you through the process.